I'm going to get a YouTube strike for that. Thank you. Okay, hey, we got a situation in our kitchen at the moment. Apparently, when you turn the pipes back on, they bust. So all of you fools out there who's got a hairdryer trying to melt your pipes, just take a look at this. Okay, we've done cleaned up all the insulation that was on the floor. We have a greenhouse and food packed up in the back. Denise, we might need your organizational skills. We got problems here. Much love, guys.
Hi.
Oh, that's my husband right there. Say hi.
Hola.